Dodging the bullet. Understanding a popular English idiom. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English idiom, dodged a bullet. This phrase is common in everyday English, and understanding it can really enhance your conversational skills. So, let's dive in and find out what it means to dodge a bullet. Dodged a bullet is an idiom that refers to avoiding a very bad or potentially harmful situation. It's like imagining a bullet heading your way, and you manage to move aside just in time. In real life, this bullet could be any kind of trouble or undesirable outcome that you've narrowly escaped. This phrase likely originates from the literal action of dodging bullets in a dangerous situation, such as a battle or a gunfight. Over time, it has evolved into a metaphorical expression used to describe avoiding any kind of danger or negative consequence, not just physical ones. 1. Job scenario. I heard the company I almost worked for went bankrupt. I really dodged a bullet there. 2. Relationships. My ex turned out to be quite unreliable. I feel like I dodged a bullet when we broke up. 3. Everyday decisions. That car I wanted to buy had many hidden faults. Luckily, I dodged a bullet by not purchasing it. These examples show how the idiom can be used in various contexts, from career choices to personal relationships. Use it to express relief after avoiding a bad situation. It's often used retrospectively, looking back on a situation that could have been worse. It's a casual expression, so it's best used in informal conversations. And that's all on the idiom, dodged a bullet. We hope this video helps you understand and use this expression confidently in your conversations. Remember, learning idioms can be a fun way to enrich your English vocabulary and sound more like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more learning content. See you in the next video.